Look no further than the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. The Silverado 3500 HD delivers intense hauling and towing strength, a quiet, smooth ride, and technology to keep you connected, safe, and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, tires all-terrain, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, 8-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth connection. Rest assured and get the job done with confidence in the Silverado 3500 HD. Take it out for a test drive today.